In this video, we will see how to use the AutoCAD Blueprint Previewer for OpenKM. OpenKM includes an AutoCAD Blueprint Viewer. These files can be linked to other blueprints, information that can be consulted in the References tab. We can expand the size of the Properties panel to view the blueprint better. The Preview tab displays several toolbars that can be positioned wherever we want. Additionally, the main toolbar can be expanded to show all the functionalities available for working with the Blueprint Preview. From the AutoCAD Blueprint Previewer in OpenKM, we can turn blueprint layers on or off. Launch print jobs, adjust contrast, change the blueprint background, search for text, switch layers, and even measure and calibrate distances. Of course, it is always possible to zoom in on the blueprint, go back, or select a specific part of the blueprint to enlarge it. Additionally, we can navigate through the different pages of a blueprint. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.